A judge in Alex Murdaugh's murder trial made a ruling which could give prosecutors an edge moving forward.
The jury will be allowed to hear evidence of his alleged financial crimes. WSCV's Andrew Davis was in the courtroom, and he is wrapping up the day and joining us live right now from Walterboro.
Well, Tina and Ben, I'll tell you, this trial was supposed to last about 3 weeks, but we're already entering the third week, and the prosecution isn't even close to coming up with its case. And it's just gotten the go-ahead to call even more witnesses by Judge Newman as we continue to try to make their case for murder. Now, that's because Judge Newman went ahead and allowed prosecutors to call witnesses to support Alex's alleged motive for the killings, to hide the millions of dollars in financial schemes he was involved in. One of the last witnesses prosecutors called before the judge's decision, the attorney for Mallory Beach's family, Mark Tinsley. Tinsley, who sued Alec personally for his role in the broke cash that killed Mallory in 2019, says Alec claimed to be broke, underinsured, and only had $500,000 to pay off any potential civil lawsuits he faces. Now, Tinsley saw Murdaugh's temper when they saw each other at a legal conference a few months after the boat crash.
Alec sees me and he comes across and he gets up close in my face and says, "Hey, Bo, what's this I'm hearing about what you're saying? I thought we were friends." And I replied, "Alec, we are friends. If you don't think I can burn your house down and that I'm not doing everything and I'm not going to do everything, you're wrong. You need to settle this case."
Now, this afternoon, the caretaker for Murdaugh's mother, Muselle Smith, testified that Alec did come to his mother's house the night of the killings. Alec's mother, called Miss Libby by people who know her, has dementia. Smith said she stayed for 15 to 20 minutes. He stayed for 15, 20 minutes and was fidgety when he was there, Alex was. Michelle added that just days later, during a repast for Alex's father, Randolph, after his death, Alec told Smith he was at the house for 30 to 40 minutes and then brought up how he could possibly help with her upcoming wedding, which he called expensive. Smith also said she saw Alec walk into the home 3 days after that funeral. He was holding a blue tarp balled up next to his body. SLED found a blue tarp and a blue raincoat in the Almeida house during a search warrant in September.
Did Alec Murdaugh have blood on his clothes?
No.
He had blood on his shoes?
No.
He had blood on his hair?
No.
Did he leave blood in his mom's bedroom?
No.
Now, in their opening statement, prosecutors talked a lot about finding a blue raincoat that had, quote, lots of gunshot residue on it. But so far, the jury has not seen exactly how much gunshot residue that is, but they have seen that raincoat itself. Now, we've got much more here as the judge is reconsidering his initial decision on letting some of this information in or having Smith come back to the stand because it was conflicting information. On top of that, all that financial information is going to come off today and then the rest of the week. And then sometime this week, Curtis Eddie Smith, the alleged co-conspirator for Alec, will be on the stand. In Walterboro, Andrew Davis, back to you.
Andrew, thank you. WSCV is on your side with complete coverage of the Murdaugh trial online. If you cannot watch, our digital team is live blogging every day with real-time updates. Just head to WSCV.com/Murdaugh.